Now, obviously, the leader in the marketplace, Tesla, and there's an interesting article popped up here. What would have happened if instead of buying a Tesla Model S when it launched, what if instead of doing that, you had have spent the equivalent amount of money just buying Tesla stock? So you said, you know what? I'm going to drive a cheap car for now, and I'm going to take the $77,000 that this initial launch Model S would cost. And I know I'm going to enjoy it over the next few years, but I feel like Tesla's really the future. So I'm going to take that same $77,000. And instead of buying a vehicle right now, I'm just going to buy the stock.
Yeah.
What do you think would have happened?
Right now, maybe you would have been able to buy 4 Model S. Am I right?
You, my friend, are way off.
Oh.
If you took $77,400 back in 2012, that would have bought you 11,389 shares of Tesla stock.
Oh.
Okay. Now, of course, you have to adjust for the stock split as well. But here's what that would mean for you today. As of January 15th, $9,409,136.
So a little more than 4 Model S, right?
Oh, man. These stories always make people feel a certain way.
Yeah.
It's so weird. It's actually weird that the person wants the car at the moment. We all want the things. We want the short term. We want to have the experience now. We want to hold on to something. We want the enjoyment of something manifested right now. But it is weird that the same 77, like the guy could have bought, not this, there is no guy, but any one of us could have put that money to work for ourselves. Now, I know this stock is inflated and it's a big time hype machine and everything else. But as of today, that individual could sell those 11,389 shares for that staggering number. I know. People are in shock. And they're thinking about, what's the next thing, Lou? Tell me the next Tesla. No, I can't tell you the next Tesla. Apologize.